Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my chicken and vegetable wrap, so I hope you enjoy the video. So here I've got my chicken breast. You can use any part of chicken you want, but make sure there is no bone in the chicken. Now add a teaspoon of aromat. You can season the chicken with any seasoning of your choice, but if you want to get the exact taste of my chicken wrap, then you have to make sure you use the exact recipe. After adding the aromat, add about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of dried curry leaves, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of curry powder. Basically everything is just going to be half a teaspoon, but the salt, you have to know how to add your salt to your taste. So I just added a pinch of salt. As you can see, it's not even up to half a teaspoon. After adding everything, mix it together and set that aside. Now in a frying pan, add some oil. You can use any type of vegetable oil you want, but I'm using my carrot oil. If you've not seen the video yet, make sure to go and check the video out. I will have the video linked in my description box, so make sure you check it out. Now add the chicken in the frying pan. Once the oil is hot, cook or fry the chicken until it's well cooked. Now in a mixing bowl, add your vegetables. I'm using mixed lettuce. You can use cabbage if you want, but this is the one I prefer. Now add one sliced fresh tomatoes, one medium-sized shredded carrot, add half sliced cucumber and half sliced onion as well. I'm using white onion. You can use red onion or spring onion if you want, or if you don't like the taste of onion at all, you can just skip that step. After that, add your half green and yellow bell pepper, add a little bit of olive oil, a tiny bit of salt, then mix everything together and set that aside. In the frying pan again, I'm going to toast my wrap. I want it a little bit crunchy when I'm eating it, but if you don't want, you can just skip that step. It's optional. Now after toasting the wrap, add your vegetable inside the wrap, but make sure you don't overcrowd it so that it can close easily. Just add it as you are seeing on the screen now. Then top it up with your fried chicken, a sliced fresh tomato. Now drizzle some mayonnaise on top of it, any amount you want, or you can use any type of salad dressing of your choice. Close it up, and there you have your chicken and vegetable wrap. It is so yummy. You can as well eat it just the way it is. Either way tastes so good. I'm sure you're going to love it. You have to try this recipe, or you can as well serve this over your jollof rice. You can never go wrong with vegetables, you know. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.